Hello, welcome back to my channel. So happy that you are here. Just a quick reminder before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so that you never miss any of my wig related content. So today I'm going to bring you a review for Henry Margu. This is one of their newer styles. This is Tara, and the color on this one is 26GR. More on her in just a minute. Okay, let's start taking a look at this cute wig. So this is Henry Margu Tara, like I said, in 26GR. Really cute little short bob. This is regular synthetic, and the cap on this one is considered to be petite average. So it's fitting my head great. So ear to ear, it's fitting me great. Forehead to nape. It is a wefted cap, so there's a little bit of stretch in it, but it's really hugging my head nicely. So for those of you who have petite measurements, this would be a really, really good style for you. I'm not feeling any permatease in this. She is a full mono top with a lace front, which is so nice because you can part it wherever you want to. So just really, really cute. So I'll do a spin so you can see her all the way around, and then we'll look at all of her specs and everything. So. Okay, so we can look at her lace front. So with this particular color, it does have a darker root, so you can see some of those knots a little bit, but the way the hair hangs, I'm noticing, on the lace front, it really, really doesn't show. So it's not too bad. It's not really bothering me. And you can always go in with your powder, or your concealer, and you can hide those a little bit. I have videos on my channel showing how to do that. So, it's not that hard to hide. So this is a temple to temple extended lace front, which is really, really nice. So I'll show you the part. So I have it parted on the left. I had it parted on the right just to have something different. And I'll pop a picture in here so you can see it parted on the right. But I didn't like the way it looked on me as well, parted on the right. So I went back to the left. So anyway, but you can part her wherever you want to because you do have this full mono top. So that's really, really nice. So you can part it in the center, you can part it on the right, however you want to do it. It came parted on the left with the zigzag part. So when I had it parted on the right, I did have to get the fibers wet and just use my low heat blow dryer and, just get it to lay down, and it was very, very easy. It was not hard to do it all. So I'll show you the ear tabs. I've got great coverage you can see around the face. The ear tabs are falling right where I feel like they should on me. So really, really nice. Okay, so measurements for Tara are, this bang measurement here in the front is 7.5 inches. There are 8.5-inch sides, a 3.5-inch nape measurement back here. And then she has an overall length of 9 inches. So just really, really cute, easy to throw on and go little bob. I just think she's adorable. So with this 7.5-inch measurement here in the front, you could definitely, cut a bang in if you wanted to have, more forehead coverage. So weight-wise, by the way, she is 3.05 ounces. So I'll pop her off and we can look at the interior of her cap. Okay, so here is that full mono top, allowing you to part wherever you want to on top of your head there. Really, really nice. You've got great coverage. The whole top of the head is monofilament, so that's really nice. And then you have your extended true temple to temple coverage on that lace front. Extends down onto those ear tabs. Looks really, really nice. So you've got soft felt ear tabs with metal in there. That's what keeps that nice and flush up against your face. Open wefting all through the cap. She has Velcro adjusters. She has a soft felt strip here for the Velcro to attach to. She does not have an extended nape, but I really don't feel like she needs one. And plenty of stretch in this cap, as you can see. So I think this will definitely, even though it's considered petite average, I think it'll definitely accommodate larger head sizes. Okay, we can take a look at this color. So this is their 26GR. So very pretty. Their colors go by numbers. So no name for the color, but so obviously it is a 26 and it has a root on it. So really, really nice. I like the dimension, really pretty golden blonde. So the description for this 26GR is a gold blonde with light blonde highlights and brown roots. So you can definitely see the dimension. You can see the difference in the gold blonde and the lighter blonde. I would still say this is a warm blonde. Definitely has that, when you see the words golden or sandy, those kind of words, honey, you know, those tend to be your more warm blondes. So I'll show you the rooting. And as you can see, you know, you can see the rooting around the face. You're going to see the rooting anywhere you separate the hair. So for styling, that rooting would show. Really pretty. So let's take it outside and we'll look at it in the outdoor light. Okay, so here's 26 GR by Henry Margu, outside in natural light. I'm under my patio cover. There's your lace front. And you can see the part. Okay, so just about to walk into the sun here. So you can see that dimension in the blondes. You can see the rooting. You'll notice the rooting is not as dark as it looks inside, so we'll step into the sun. Okay, we can look at glasses and styling and all that. So she's super easy to tuck behind the ears. She's such a natural density. I really love how low density she is. So, you know, that's one way that you could wear her. If you're just needed to get the hair out of your face temporarily or whatever, or when I had my hair, I was always such an ear tucker. So that's a big deal to me. I really like it when a wig is low density enough that I can tuck it behind the ears. So, but I like to tuck it so I can show you glasses. So glasses are super easy. She's, like I said, low natural density. So no puffy permatease or anything. So the glasses are going to go on no problem, go up on your head, no problem. So, you know, super easy with the glasses. So she looks really cute with a headband. And this is one way, you know, again, if you just wanted to keep the fibers from, you know, blowing in your face if you're outdoors or if you're at work and you need to be looking down or whatever, you know, this is a great way to keep that front layer away from your face. So, and headbands, like especially these little satiny ones, are really easy on your fibers. So, you know, they're just a great little asset to have, you know, for styling for your wigs. So, but you can see she just looks really cute in a headband. Super cute. So she doesn't really have the length to go, you know, half up, half down with a clip. I think you could get some of the hair clipped, but not very much. And this front layer and all this is going to want to, you know, start falling down. So what I would do if you want to have it, if you don't want to just, you know, put it behind the ears, if you do want to clip it, you could clip it, you know, right behind the ear, put a little bobby pin or something like that in. That would be really cute. This bang layer is probably still going to want to come down, which I think looks really cute. You know, you could even do like a little twist or something and do it like that. That would be cute. And then of course, you know, since she has this extended lace front, you can wear her off the face. You could just clip her back like this. And, you know, you're going to get, of course, you can see more of an appearance of that rooting. That's what I'm talking about, you know, when you do the styling, that rooting is going to show more, but it looks fine. It looks, you know, just like a rooted blonde. So looks really cute. So I think she's just adorable. Another thing I love, of course, is the full monotop because it does allow you to change your part. So that's another thing that you could do to change your style is, you know, you could wear a left part one day, a center part another day, a right part, you know, you can just change that part back and forth, and it's super easy. So I do want to mention, since these are regular synthetic fibers, I always get comments, oh, it's shiny. So yes, it's shiny. These are silicone coated synthetic hair fibers. So, you know, you can use different things to tone down that shine. Sometimes I have had feedback from you all that have said that you can cold soak it and that tones down the shine. I haven't personally done that, but what I like to use is either dry shampoo. Some dry shampoos will leave a white cast on a wig. So what I've really started to love using is cornstarch. You know, you can just take, I have a video on my channel showing how I did this, but with a regular synthetic wig. But you can just take like a makeup, I just take a big makeup brush and just get some cornstarch in it and shake it out, and that will dull that shine. And I think it works really, really nicely. So that's actually a little Hollywood trick that they use. So for wigs in movies and stuff. So anyway, well, I want to thank Henry Margu for providing this wig to review for you all today. There'll be information in the description box on how to purchase and everything. So thanks so much for watching. Take care of yourselves. And until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.